So now we will schedule our annual physical exam. So first, we need to log in to our account and then click schedule annual physical examination. So after clicking that one, you need to click this um, okay, this address. So here in Davao City, maraming Kaiser accredited clinics and hospitals. So some of these were Brokenshire, Davao Adventist, Davao Doctors, Davao Medical School Foundation. So yung pipiliin natin is yung malapit sa atin, which is ang Metro Davao Medical and Research Center, or the MDRMC. So we just click the APE button. APE button is here, and then we just click the um, appropriate plan that we have, which is a long term, and then request. So review, we will review our details here, like name, policy number, the plan type, our age, the gender or contact number, the hospital na desired natin to. So makikita natin dito yung mga test na nakapackage sa annual physical examination na included sa package natin sa plan natin. So ito yung mga CBC or the complete blood count, the urinalysis, fecalysis, included din dito yung chest x-ray, electrocardiogram for adults age 35 and above. Ayan. So after reviewing all the information, so APE appointment request has been submitted. Click the submit button and then review all the details. Okay, now we will attach our annual payment or the 1 year payment of our Kaiser plan.